last year, the Platinum Music Awards were watched by over 200 million people worldwide. And this year, I am very excited to announce that we will begin the Platinum Music Awards with a performance by a complete unknown.
Is everyone watching? Is everyone watching the press conference? Okay.
Beginning now, we are conducting a worldwide search for a fresh young talent who will begin the award show with an original song and become an overnight music sensation. Now, please, hold your questions. Just hold the questions, thank you. So, for the next 48 hours, we'll be accepting online video auditions at superstarbam.com.
Yes! Yes! I so got this! Shut up!
Oh, all you young performers out there who feel you have superstar potential, show us what you got.
Whoa, whoa, you get me out of my seat. It's like I've been in bed for a week. I've been slipping and sliding all over the place, and nobody cares. I'm such a disgrace. You get me out of my mood. That's something only you can do. 'Cause I feel like I'm home when I'm in your arms, and that's why I need you to cheer me up. Come on, dance with me. And you take my hand, oh, cheer me up. Oh, even if we're the only ones dancing. Whoa, please won't you cheer me up. Oh, even if we're the only ones dancing.
Tori Vega?
Just spit it in my hands. Oh, God, it's warm.
You done? Tori Vega, how would you like to sing the opening number at this year's Platinum Music Awards?